Is it the new one?
Are you serious? You got an easy bake oven?
Archer, rip it. Jane, help him rip it.
Is that what you wanted?
Here.
Santa brought that?
Come on.
Mom, can we open it?
Come on, pull it.
Oh, I didn't open the door.
Good job, buddy.
Got some hair up in there.
That one's Lauren.
Come on.
Did you make one for yourself?
Somebody get it.
Look at all the toys.
What is it?
It's Lauren, it's hers.
It's a puppy.
Is that Scout? Everybody has Scout.
Archer, look. You got a piano.
What is it?
Now you can be a pianist.
I don't know who that is.
You tell the ladies you have an amazing pianist.
Okay, Daddy, where's the scissors? Get him out of his cage.